Handian Group Intelligent Air Conditioner Plant covers an area of 100,000 square meters, with total investment of nearly 200 million RMB for the first phase. Relying on leading domestic production equipment, heat exchanger workshops are distributed based on the process of one streamlined production, i.e., automatic pipe bending, punching, pulling, and pipe expanding, etc. The automatic welding machine introduces the latest foreign flame brazing technology, which can achieve side-by-side welding, accurate digital flow control, and precise temperature control. The industry-leading Way-Yield helium detection equipment and advanced evaporator pressure holding technology are adopted to achieve 100% full detection for heat exchanger of air conditioner. International Advanced Leybold vacuum pump was adopted to achieve a visual operation. International Advanced Automatic Testing Equipment is adopted in commodity inspection room, which can ensure the percent of pass of every delivered air conditioner. Intelligent Chip provides refreshing air. Handian air conditioner redefines refreshing and accompanies you all the time.